Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Grady Tech, and in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Bolt Audio's Basebox Arc Bluetooth speaker. By the way guys, I'm also posting videos in Telugu, so you can check out my Telugu videos on the Grady Tech Telugu channel. Link for that is in the description. So here's a quick preview of how the Bluetooth speaker itself looks like. In India, this product is being sold at 1300 rupees. During a sale, you may be able to find it at a discounted price of just 999. It's available in 3 colors, black, camo blue and the camo green. We have the black color with us right now. Now the main highlights for this particular product would be its impressive audio quality and bigger battery. So without any further delays, let's get on with the unboxing. Here's the box packaging we got, and on the front it says a new dimension of sound, and inside it we get another big box, which is actually the Bluetooth speakers box. Now on the top we got a preview of the speaker. It says Bolt Audio Arc. On one side it has the pricing and some more information. On the other side we have some of the highlights like the 1-year warranty, built-in mic, it's got extra bass and also built-in micro woofers. Now let's get on with the unboxing. First we have a micro USB cable, a small envelope, the speaker itself, and finally an aux cable. Inside the envelope we get the warranty card and user manual. Now once we remove the covers, this is how the speaker actually looks like. Now first let's have a physical overview. The speaker has a complete plastic build. On the top we got 5 buttons, one's for the power button, 2 volume buttons, a play or pause button which can also be used for calls, a dedicated button for mode. Besides that we also got a single LED indicator and the mic. Now following that we have the speaker itself with a nice black material wrapping it all around. On the front we just got the Bolt branding. On the back side we have the micro USB charging port along with the aux port. Finally at the bottom it has just got some rubber padding and some specs. Now this speaker weighs about 300 grams. It's not too heavy and it's not too light either, and considering it's a portable Bluetooth speaker, I'd say it is pretty decent. Now these are the complete specifications of the speaker. It is a 50mm driver with a 5W max output. It is powered by a 1200 mAh battery. It has about 8 hours of playback time, and if you keep playing at 100% volume, you get about 5 hours of playback time. It's a mono channel, has Bluetooth 5.0, has inline controls, aux input as well, and finally it's also IPX5, dust and splash proof. Now as for the connection and pairing process, you just need to long press the power button until it says Bluetooth mode, and then you can search for Bolt Audio Arc on your phone. Just do a tap to connect and it's connected. To turn off the speaker, just long press the power button. Every time you turn on and turn off the speaker, you also get a nice voice prompt. That's a pretty good feature. Now as for the functionality of these buttons, you can do a long press of the power button to power on and power off. You can do a long press of plus button to increase the volume, minus button to decrease the volume. You can do a single click for the plus button for the next track and a single click for the minus button for the previous track. You can also do a long press of M button to disconnect the current Bluetooth device so that you can connect to a new device. Finally, the play and pause button is pretty much self-explanatory. Now as for the review, I'll start off with the design and build. Considering the price, I must say the design and build is pretty good. Even though it's made of plastic, it doesn't feel cheap. It is pretty solidly built. Whether it's the plastic quality or the buttons themselves, feel pretty good. Now even the audio quality is pretty great. There is minimal to no distortion even when we play audio at high volumes, and even at the low volumes, audio is pretty nice. Bass is pretty good. You can easily feel it. At high volumes, you can feel the bass even on a surface that you keep it on. Now with that said, here's some quick audio sample. Now we can also use this Bluetooth speaker for answering calls, and here's a quick sample audio with a caller sound on speaker. Whenever you get a call, you can just use this play or pause button to answer the call.
Hi there guys, this is Nikhil and this is a quick audio preview. You are listening to my voice via the speaker, and I've already tested the mic from the speaker itself. Audio quality is decent, I would say. It's not anything impressive. It's not as good as directly talking on your phone, but at the end of the day, it's usable. It's not too great, but it's definitely usable. So with that said, let's pop it here.
Voice from the speaker's mic is audible on the other side, but that once again depends on the ambient noise around the speaker. Anyway, mic's performance is pretty decent and you can definitely answer some calls over this Bluetooth speaker. For a Bluetooth speaker that's priced around 1300 rupees, it definitely does a pretty decent job for calls. Now as for the battery life, I've used the speaker for about 2 to 3 days and you can easily get about 5 to 6 hours of battery life depending upon the speaker volume. So guys, to conclude, if you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker around 1300 rupees with ample sound and good battery life, you can definitely consider this product. So guys, what do you think about this product? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this product, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.